In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a staff member to a project in FreshBooks. Now, whether you're a seasoned project manager or just getting started, it's essential to know how to efficiently manage and assign tasks within FreshBooks. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, make your way over to the FreshBooks website. You can simply perform a quick search using your preferred search engine to find the site. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually located at the upper right corner of the home page. Clicking that will take you to the login page. Once you're on the login page, go ahead and enter your account details. This would be your email and password associated with your FreshBooks account. Upon entering your details, you'll be redirected to your FreshBooks dashboard. On your dashboard, locate the Projects section. Typically, this is found in the main navigation menu. Clicking on Projects will land you on the Projects page where all your current or past projects are listed. To create a new project or manage an existing one, look for the Create New option, which is usually towards the top of the page. After selecting Create New, it's time to choose your charging method. Whether you're using a flat rate or tracking hours, ensure you make the appropriate selection for your project's billing style. Once decided, you'll want to provide a clear, concise name for your project. This helps to keep everything organized and easily identifiable. Next, click on Date to set the timeline for your project. Accurately inputting the project dates is critical for effective time management and can help in tracking the project's progress efficiently. Moving on, if you're working with a flat rate, now's the time to type in that rate. Enter the amount carefully, as this will be integral for your project's financial tracking. With the basics covered, consider whether you'd like to assign a client at this point. This step is optional, but can be beneficial if the project is client-centric. Next, you'll want to add team members. You'll find a plus sign next to team members. Clicking on it brings up your contact list. Here, you can check the box of your chosen team member or even add a new one if needed. Once you've done that, confirm your choices by clicking on Update Team Members. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through adding a staff member to a project in FreshBooks. Remember, managing a team efficiently starts with clear assignments and tracking capabilities. FreshBooks offers an intuitive interface that makes project management seamless and straightforward. I hope this guide was helpful, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy managing!